Collaborate and celebrate. It's our time to cooperate. We work together, our hearts are one, creating benefit for everyone. Collaborate, 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 and be truly great. Connection and unity, that's our community. Rise up, it's your life, be all you're meant to be. Fellowship, partnership, solidarity, reciprocity. Your heart's dreams are meant to be.
I was meditating on the collaboration narrative when I found this heart. Always follow your heart, keep on carrorizing yourself, and subscribe and like for more hearts.